I think conceptually, when I looked at this partnership meet, the marketing forum, I think you just simplified the whole process of marketing and brand partnership because bringing people on the same platform, bringing people in the same room, and we've I think since morning we've created so many things just because we are in the same place. So apart from the fact that it is a time saver, I think practically it has created, I think in the same room we have created millions of rupees of business today, which I saw happening in the morning. So I think a brilliant idea, a brilliant concept, and brilliant way to get people together. Um, See, very clearly, business revolves around partnerships. Business, one individual cannot run everything. So, whether or not you have, it's partnerships in all different directions, on different tangents. So, you may be having partnership with your customers or your vendors or your other partners or brand partners or whatever. So, it is now not a sole thing. Business is never a sole thing. So, clearly, now that the dynamic and the way things are moving has changed because of the internet, the social media, even solo companies, solo person companies are running just now, but the partnerships are with people outside. And very interestingly, what that change social scenario has led to a very clear cut thing that we can actually leverage on each other's strengths. We don't have to do it by ourselves. We don't have to think in terms of where do I find resources to do this, because it's all over there. We just have to need to reach the right people, need to reach people who we have synergy with, who we can have a shared sort of value with, create value, co-create value with each other. So I think everybody is open to that idea. It just makes life easier, makes business easier, and for both the people or whoever, multiple partnerships. So it's all open today. So it's very interesting to see this is happening. This particular conference, what appealed to me, I think very well organized, very well planned, very well laid out in terms of the way you did the presentation and the way you had the panel discussions. So it looked very complete in terms of the generation of information. I was on the second panel, but I was making notes since morning. I was busy making notes because the information that came, the ideas that have come up front over here, fantastic, fantastic. So I'm very impressed with the way it was laid out, and the kind of people you called in over here. So good for somebody like myself, who doesn't get to come to events so often. So very good for me. Yeah. Any expectations? I think I do have an expectation. I was on the second panel. I think you should give more time to panels, because I think those discussions can be very organic. They can come up. We can come up with very interesting insights on various topics that we are picking up. Because you picked up two very powerful things for the first and the second panel. However, I think if we did give more time to it, but I understand because it's a one-day thing and we had a lot of presentations to do, and all those people did very well, limiting their time to. So we got all the information still. I wish we had more in terms of times. I think it should be. I was going to say that it should be a longer, not just a one-day thing. If we had it longer, and maybe it will be way more beneficial than it would have been today, because this is like a very quick thing, where then people wouldn't have to rush. Probably we would be able to create real-time business over here. Yeah, so that's what my thought is. Otherwise, brilliant. Mm.